Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial, and this is Denise, and today I'll show you how to add a contact HTML page to your WordPress website. Okay, so this is a sample of the contact page. Okay, so what you need to do now is to have all your files ready. As you can see, these are the files that we need to upload or to add into your WordPress. Now let's move along. So this is the demo site that I just created. And then here in the plugin section, I added a new plugin, which is called WP File Manager. And you type that there in this add new section. And then when it appears, you just have to install it and then activate it. So once you have already activated it, just go directly to WP File Manager page. There you go, here. And then you just have to add a folder. So let's just name this Denise Contact, or just name it Denise. Make sure that you do not have the same name or there's no duplicate, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, then open the folder, and now what you need to do is let me just get all the files, drag this. Second. Okay, let's drag them there. Okay, now that it's done, you can now check your HTML contact HTML page by typing demo.deniselenoris.com/Denise, because that's the contact page folder name. So let's just copy this and then /Denise. And there you go. That's it. You already have your HTML contact page. So that's it for today, guys. So I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. So I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Ciao!